Hi, this first screencast is to show you how to upload pictures to your WordPress website and how to use watermark effectively to not to protect your pictures from being copied, but to increase awareness of your logo and website address. So once your picture are watermarked with your logo, you can share them on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and things like that. Yeah, so here we go. When you first log on to WordPress, you get to the dashboard here. So you're going to look for gallery down the left. Click on add gallery. With a little bit of a slow computer, you're probably already there. Click on add new gallery tab at the top. So this is to create a new gallery. So for this one we'll say test this gallery, and click on add gallery. Then you're ready to upload pictures to your gallery. There's two kind of uploader. The one by default doesn't allow you to select more than one picture at a time. So every time you browse and add a picture, it adds it down here, and then you gotta pick which gallery it's going to, and it will upload it to the gallery. However, the Flash uploader allows you to select more than one gallery at a time. So you click on the Flash uploader, and then you'll notice the button is a little bit different. It's rounded. Gallery 7. I'm going to click on browse. If you click on browse and you don't see it, with some computers it has the issue where if you go down the taskbar, you'll see that the window is open, it's just not on top. So I'm going to browse to my folder where the pictures are in, and the Flash uploader allows you to select multiple pictures at once, so it's a lot more effective that way. Then when you're done, you click on upload pictures. Now wait until this is all done. This is a fairly fast server and it was pretty quick. It's pretty quick to upload the images, but don't touch anything, don't get out of there until all of them are done uploaded, otherwise it will cause some problems. So we're just gonna wait for it to finish. The one thing I should have mentioned is before uploading, very often if you take pictures with your camera, that tricked me, it wasn't quite done. When you take pictures with the camera, they're usually very high definition, and it's too much for the web. It's too much for your website. It will take a long time to load, and it's really not necessary. That's more for printing. So with this gallery option, the next gen gallery, if you go under options, there's an area where you can allow next gen to resize your pictures automatically. So if you go to resize image here, 800 by 600 is more than enough for the web, and make sure that this little check box here is checked off, automatically resize images on upload. Save changes. So now your gallery will be formatted for the web. It's not going to use that much space on the server, and it's going to load a lot more easily for your visitors. So let's take a look at the gallery. Click on manage gallery, and and the test gallery is here. There's 6 pictures that I selected, so you can click on the gallery name to open it. And here are the pictures. If you look at the size, they're all 800 in width, so they've been resized. So you can select all of them and set watermark, apply. You're about to edit 6 images. Yes, we are. Maybe for this example I could have used just a couple, but oh, it was still pretty fast. So now each of the pictures have a watermark. If I click on the picture and open it, you will see my logo here and the website address of the company. Where to set the watermark, so you can get your designer to create you a nice little watermark. Again, under options is where you would go to put the watermark. It is under options, watermark, and you simply put the address of where the picture would be on the web, and tell it where to put it. If it's center at the bottom, top corner, bottom left. I like to put it on the bottom left corner, and save changes. Now to add this gallery to your page is the next step. So let's go back to the galleries. Oops, I meant manage galleries. Each gallery is assigned a code. Actually, we're just going to go to post. There's an easy way. Add new post. So a new post is to create a new post. Test article. And when you're in visual mode, if you're in HTML mode, you won't see it here. If you're in visual mode, you'll see the link here to add the gallery. So when you click on that, it gives you the option, and we want to add gallery number 7, test gallery, insert, and this is the code here that needs to be in your blog post or your web page to be able to see the gallery. If you're working in the HTML format, you can just type this in with the ID of the gallery, and it will show you your gallery. Now let's preview this page to see what it looks like. And here we go. We have the test article with the pictures, and when I click on a picture to open it, the watermark is right here. So now I can right click, save image as, save it on my computer, and then upload it to Facebook and link it back to my website, because one of the things we want is website traffic. So you can upload this picture so people will see it on Facebook, maybe tag the people that are in it. Again, it's extra exposure for your logo, and as a comment to the picture, you can put a link to your website to see the entire gallery. And that's it. That's simple, and that's how you add your gallery to your website.